Welcome to De Morgan's Rules Explained with the Hand Trick. Alright, let's say there's some guy in front of you and he says, there's something in my right hand and there's something in my left hand. If you want to contradict the conjunction that he's using, a conjunction is false if one of the statements is false. So R will represent there's something in my right hand, let L represent there is something in my left hand, and you can symbolize what he's saying as R and L. So the first approach is to say not both. There is not both something in your right hand and something in your left hand. An equivalent and probably more natural way of putting that is to say either there is not something in your right hand or there is not something in your left hand. These are equivalent statements. But if he were to say, I have something in my right hand or I have something in my left hand, a disjunction is false if both of the statements are false. So now you don't want to say not both, you want to say both not. We'll symbolize what he's saying as R or L. So the first approach is you might want to say you have nothing in your right hand or left hand. But the problem with that is you're still leaving the option open that he might have something in either hand. I think people are a little ambiguous sometimes when they use or statements, because sometimes when they use or statements, they mean not both, and sometimes they mean both not. So to remove any of that ambiguity, you'll just say neither do you have something in your right hand, nor do you have something in your left hand, which you can symbolize as not the case R or L. The other option is to say you don't have anything in your right hand and you don't have anything in your left hand, which you can symbolize as, or sorry, I'm just demonstrating these are equivalent statements. All right, so let's go to the truth tables. When you're constructing a truth table to show these are equivalent statements, usually you want to start off with the conjunction, then negate it, and then get the values for the negation of the two variables, and then construct the disjunction. When you do that, you notice that there are the same values in the column for the disjunction as there is for the negated conjunction. And so that demonstrates that they are equivalent statements. For the other, you pretty much do the same thing. You construct a truth table with the disjunction, the negated disjunction, the negated variables, and then for the conjunction, or how should I put that, the conjunction of negations, you plug in all the truth values, and then you see there's a similar pattern under this column as there is under this column, which shows that these are equivalent statements. Thanks for watching my video.